You can see these are some recent videos which I have made, and these are the names which I put them. When I export them, I put just random name. Now I want to put them proper name, which later on I can find out these are the names. So I have put all those name in the Excel file. Like in the A column, I have given the code first and then the video title. So that code and the video title, I want to put them in the video name. So what I will do, I will use concatenate function, and then the cell number, then comma, and then under the apostrophe I will put the dot, because after the code I want to put the dot. I will put the video title and finish xf1.sum. This would be my first video title which I will replace. So this way you can use them, and use Control D to get them all. So now I will copy each name from there, and I will replace each name in my file, in my data where I stored them. So this way you can replace the name and you can use your own code whichever you like to do.